Hello. This is Noon. And this is Russ. From, what's your channel name?
Living in Two Worlds.
Oh.
Yes.
Living in Two Worlds. Known, she's Miss Green Fingers. She loves to grow plants all the time.
And I bless.
Okay guys, here I am in Korat. I'm not in Shanghai right now. I've come down to help Russ and Noon because they're actually going to be doing a project on this land. They've got two right here.
This is in Saudio.
Saudio.
Yeah.
Yeah, but still in Korat.
Yeah. Well, listen, well, we're outside the city actually.
Just outside the main city.
Yeah.
So they're going to be building a restaurant here and then a house up at that end. So we just put the drone up. Russ is just getting me drone, my old faithful drone. So that's now Russ is the proud owner.
Drone.
Yeah, now it's Russ's drone. So I've come down last night to help Russ out, and I've got to go to Pattaya today because I've got a meeting with my partner down there. So there'll be no video of the project in Shanghai for this week, but I have got some updates to do anyway for that. And show you the project in Pattaya. Now it's all finished, all furnished. So that'll be the next video that goes out on that. But like I say, check out Russ's channel, right? Living in Two Worlds. Basically, living in two worlds, he spends half his time in Canada and half his time in Thailand. So when you go back, you're actually going to be building
a house in Canada.
Right, so he's going to be
Canadian buildings, everything different than here. We'll be chronicling, recording all of that.
Yeah.
And then when we do here, we'll do the same so that people will be able to see how you build, how you live in two different worlds at the same time.
Yeah.
And I want to thank you for coming, helping me out, getting started.
No problem at all. I'm happy to help anyone out, you know.
And for the drone, thank you for.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
I have to change my stickers.
No. This is worth its weight in gold. You see Bryan's Thailand there. You got to keep that on.
Okay, we'll leave that.
Yeah, on. You can put Living in Two Worlds underneath that. I'll make you some stickers for that.
Okay. All right.
I wish you the best of luck.
All right.
So like I said, guys, you got to check out theirs because they'll be doing videos in Canada and in Thailand. So you got both the two worlds. Okay. So it's going to be fun to see. Okay.
All right. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you very much.
Okay, this is like follow from we come from back from Korat yesterday. I've come down to do the final video for the plantation estate. Now we've got it all finished, so I just want to bring you along and show you what it looks like now it's all done. So this is actually the final part of the plantation, so I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so let me show you around. Okay, so obviously we've got our statue here, we've got our lights there, solar lights. All these stones are fixed in. Yeah, so as you walk in, you've got all this here. The entrance. There's my younger brother. All the lights, all the staircase here have built-in lights. So on an evening, as you walk up, you've got plenty of light, and I'll show you a photo of that. And then we come into the external living area. You've got the garage. I'll show you that in a moment. So this is our little garden. This has a misting effect irrigation system in there, so that just sprays a mist onto all the plants. So you've got like Xanadu, money palm, elephant ear, lady palm, red palms, so, and aloe vera, mother-in-law's tongue. So you've got a good selection of plants that you would have very little sunshine with. So if you remember, little leaf, lots of sun, big leaf, less sun. Okay, so that's gecko there, not disturb them. And we actually made it into the RAM magazine, the Plantation Estate. So there's a big write-up in this magazine. Yeah, there you go. I think it's a two-page spread. There you go. The Plantation Estate. That was the concept drone. So then you've got another seating area over there, chill out area. I think this is a 50 meter by 4 meter swim pool. You got your sun loungers here. If any of you guys have never seen the video, I'll put a link up, and you can actually go back to the 16 videos of the start of the build on this one. So check them out, you know, and you see what it's all about, you know. I just love doing this sort of work, you know. So again, let me show you more. So then we've got Pong Your Pong, again lady palm. So we've got them dotted. This is not actually really a pathway, but it's just a bit of a design, you know. The grass we're using is actually Malay grass. With the right irrigation, this grass will thrive in hot sun. Outside shower area again, and we have 2 wax palms, and then we've got the stoopers there with lights. So we've got the solar lights there, got the wall lights in behind. It just looks absolutely fantastic. It's like walking on a carpet. So we terraced this, so we've got 2 terraces. I've got creeping conifer. These actually made, there's 2 at the front of the house and there's 2 here. There's the idea for the stonework. There's a light goes inside and you can light them up. And then down the back you've got all the yucca plants. And the barley mask. Then we've got cactuses. We've got air plants here. We didn't want to put too much landscape on it, because we like to show the wall. Again, for the bedroom, you've got this little display here with the yucca plants and a small box. And the same here. So this is at the back of the house. Okay, it looks absolutely amazing. We just actually had a customer come today sign the contract. Yeah, so we've got another plot on plot 4. So there's a go ahead on that one. So let me take you inside. Okay, so as you walk in, this is what you see. I mean, Terry and Pepsi, they've actually done a fantastic job of decorating this. A lot of the furniture was actually custom made. Lovely coffee table there, lovely sofa. So you got a little book reading corner in here. Dining area. Oh, right, I need to tell you a story about these pictures, right? This is a tapa cloth, right? And if any of you know anything about tapa cloth, it comes from Papua New Guinea. And this is actually made by a tribe. There used to be a cannibal tribe. And how this is actually made, they'll peel a sheet off the tree, and they lay it out flat, put stones on, and all this ink here that they've used, this is all natural organic dyes that they've used from plants on here. And we have a couple of pieces of this. So this actually comes from Papua New Guinea. And when Terry and Pepsi's been on the travels, they actually picked up this from Africa. There's a few other pieces from Africa, from China, from Indonesia. So there's a lot of stuff that they picked up on their travels to decorate the house. Absolutely amazing. I mean, I just love this piece. Absolutely amazing. That's crackleware. If anyone knows what crackleware is, it's where the glaze cracks, you know. So, okay, no little cactuses. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so I come back. I had a couple of meetings down here to do. So I've taken a week off from the project in Chiang Rai. Come down, and I thought I'd do a final video of this, you know. So now that here's the kitchen all finished. So you've got your microwave and oven, a wine chiller. Shame there's no wine in it. I could do with a bottle. In the kitchen. This is actually what we normally use for a bathroom tile. You know, it's not one piece, but they've done a fantastic job of doing this tiling here. This is like a man-made granite that they've put in the sunken sink. Looks fantastic. And now you see with the curtains in, how the curtains actually fit into the ceiling and then come down. So they've done that all the way around there. We've actually got a real green palm in the house. All the plants that you see in the house are all real, no artificial. And so you've got a fern there, tropical fern there. I keep forgetting the name on this one, very spiky. So now we'll go into the master bedroom. There you go, there's another tapa cloth there, same again. Absolutely beautiful. Let's see if we can get a closer look. There's too much of a shadow of me on there. Anyway, I love that. And the same with this. This is actually China, bone China. And this actually was bought in Africa with the monkeys. Because normally if you buy something like this from the UK, it would cost you about 20,000 baht. You know, beautiful, beautiful piece of furnishing. And here we have a traveller's palm. These are normally what you have outside, the big palms. I'll see if I can show you a picture of when they're fully grown. And then into the walk-in closet. Sorry about the flickering light because it's LED. Obviously it's on a different frequency. Right, this green cloth that we've got in here, that's actually getting changed. We're not actually using that. This is just temporary. We've actually ordered Louis Vuitton cloth to go inside here from Bangkok. So that's going to be Louis Vuitton in there for the jewellery, for your watches and stuff. When you get these houses, we actually supply bathrobes with our logo on. Absolutely fantastic. Bit of a safe for your ties and trousers you can put on there. Got storage up there. And then for the bathroom, now it's kitted out, it looks absolutely fantastic. So even for the floor mats, plantation estate. So there you go, out in the garden. Brilliant view. Imagine waking up every morning to this. And this was a painting that they got from a movie. I don't know which one it was. See if anyone can remember which movie that the painting comes from. Okay. Pictures of Egypt. And now into, you see we've got Christmas coming already. Again, these are the third ones today. Same with this shelving unit with the drawers. I mean, the detail of the wood on that is fantastic, you know. Big heavy drawers, beautiful. Some of the floating shelves for the bedroom. Artificial cloud, tin clouds, beautiful. Got a yellow palm here. And this is a walk-in closet for the second bedroom. And the bathroom here. Oh, awesome. So the adjoining bathroom, I'll come out the other way. This is the what do you call it, room, like for the hot water and the electricity. As you can see, we've got security cameras, got a 200 litre hot water tank, and then this is the third bedroom. Big walk-in shower. Map of Thailand. Okay guys, there you go. So I mean, I know this is a bit rich for a lot of people, you know, but we do have clients that love this sort of thing, you know. Like I said, we've actually signed a contract this morning for plot 4. We already, the first client that come when we finished furnishing this, the client wanted to buy this house, but we ended up selling the plot next door, plot 6. So we've been doing okay for this, and set their companies up so they've got full ownership of the property. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.
Birds flying high, sun in the sky, sun in the sky. You know how I feel. Birds flying high.